Tropical heat mixed with crazy high humidity is like the perfect recipe for moss and all kinds of plants to just take over your roof, especially where it's shady. So, if you want to keep your roof looking fresh and not like a jungle gym for critters, first off, pick roofing materials that can handle moisture and stop moss growth. Cedar shingles or shakes are solid options because they naturally resist moss. Next, get into a regular groove with roof cleaning, like every 6 months or so. Don't wait until it's a full-on green carpet. Use a gentle cleaner made for roofs that won't mess up your shingles but kills moss and algae. Make sure gutters are clean too, because when water pools, it's just inviting more moss to crash the party. Trim back any overhanging branches so sunlight hits your roof. Moss loves shade and dampness. If you're feeling handy, try installing zinc or copper strips near the roof ridge. When rain hits these metals, it helps stop moss from growing. And hey, if you catch moss early before it spreads, you'll save yourself a ton of hassle down the line. Lastly, inspect your roof after storms or heavy rains, since that's when moisture hangs around the most and can spark moss growth. One of the biggest mess-ups people make with moss on roofs is ignoring it until it's way out of control. That only makes repairs pricier and harder. Fix it by sticking to a cleaning schedule and catching moss early. Another common problem is using harsh chemicals or pressure washers that can damage shingles and end up causing leaks. Always go for roof, safe cleaners, and gentle methods. Lastly, lots of folks forget about tree branches shading the roof. That shade plus moisture is the ultimate moss magnet. So seriously, keep those branches trimmed and let some light in to keep your roof dry and happy. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like mossy roofs without breaking the bank. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it connects you with people who actually need your skills, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.